We're going down!
The evolution of pilot ejection seat technology over the past few decades has been insane. Pilots ejecting their seats in situations of emergency is almost like a reflex action for them. Ejecting seats basically means separating the seat from the rest of the aircraft at the simple push of a button. However, seat ejection technology is not something that has existed ever since aircraft were operational. Back in the 20th century, pilots relied on jumping out of fixed-wing aircraft and deploying the parachute. However, this method was extremely dangerous and it often resulted in casualties. With further development in the design of the aircraft, it became increasingly challenging to jump out due to the restricted size of the cockpit. Then what does one do if there is a need to escape? This dilemma put various groups of scientists and engineers to work on seat ejection technology that would allow pilots to remove themselves from the aircraft in cases of emergency. The British aerospace company, Martin Baker, specializes in creating eject seats. They have come a long way since the trials of their first seat ejection. Thanks to carefully designed seats with appropriate harnesses and seatbelts, countless lives have been saved while ejecting aircraft seats. There are rocket motors fitted beneath the seats that get ignited and thrust the chair out of the plane and in a backward direction upon ejection. This is followed by the automatic deployment of the parachute system. And this is how pilots perform a controlled landing and live to see another day. Pilot ejection seat technology is no doubt one of the most important inventions in the aviation industry.